Hello, it's tutorial time, and today we're going to learn how to do a basic braid. So we are starting by taking a section of hair, which I have done already. Then you divide into 3 equal parts. I repeat, 3 equal parts. So it's going to be like 3 strands, which we are going to use for our braids, and we are going to use our thumb, index finger and the middle finger for the braids. So I'm going to label this each strand A, B and C, and I'm holding A and C with my left and right thumb and index finger respectively. And we are going to start now. So I start braiding with my right hand, some start with their left, just get whatever works for you. So I'm going to use my right index finger, cross it under the middle strand, which is B, and use it to hold strand A and cross it over to my right side. Then I'll use my left index and thumb to hold the middle strand and cross it under again. So that's basically all about braids. You use your index and thumb to hold one strand, cross it under the middle strand. Then you use the other hand to hold the remaining strand, then cross it under. That is all about braids. Crossing under, you go under, take your index finger under, then you cross it over to you. So you continue this process until you get to the tip of your hair. That is all about braids. You have 3 strands. Use your index to cross under, to go under, then cross over. Now I am switching, changing the position of my hand. This positioning makes your braiding faster. If you are not good at switching, just drop your strands, hold it one after the other, just like I've done. Then you continue the same process. Put it under, then cross over to you. Put it under your index finger, cross over to you. That is all about braids. Your index does most of the work. So put your strand under your index finger, cross it over to you. The remaining strand, use your other hand to hold it, then cross it under. That is all about braiding. Please remember that braiding takes time. Yes, braiding takes time. Your first time, it might look as if you're not getting it. All you need is more practice. The more you practice, the more you get the hang of it. So be patient and keep on trying. Now, if this is your first time of coming across my video, my name is Abiodun, and in this channel we talk about everything hair, makeup and everything in between. So if you have not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can get a notification every time a video is uploaded, and I'm sure we're gonna have a swell time. So I'm going to do another braid without extension. Please hold on to the end of this video because I am going to be showing you how to do your braids with extension. Now we are doing the braids without extension. I'm still going to show you how to do your braids with extension. So please watch to the end of the video. Don't be in a rush. Alright, so let's go over the process one more time. I've divided my section of hair into 3 equal parts, and I'm starting with my right index. I've crossed it under and I've used it to hold the left strand over to me. Then I've taken the middle strand with my left hand and I've crossed it over as well. That is all you need for braiding. Your right index starts the work. You use it to cross over the left strand. Then your left index picks up the middle strand. Then you continue crossing over. Take one strand at a time. Cross it under and over until you get to the tip of your braid. Remember, more practice will give you the hang of it. You need to practice more and more until you get it. Please hold on. After this braid now, I'm going to be showing you how to do your braids, specifically box braids, how to do box braids with extension. Alright, now we got to the section where we braid with attachment. So I've taken a section of attachment that I'm going to use, and I'm going to take a small part of the section of attachment, then I'm going to cross it over the larger part, just like I've done. Yes, so I've crossed it over so that I can have 3 strands as well. The smaller part is going to make 1 strand, then the bigger part will make 1 strand each. Remember, our braids needs 3 strands. And then I'm going to section my hair into 3 equal parts. Now I prefer this method, especially if you're working with medium or jumbo braids. I prefer to section it into 3 equal parts. If you're working with a smaller part, you can part into 2 parts or no part at all. Then if you're an expert, you can do without parting. So now I'm going to take each strand of attachment, I'm going to hold it with each strand of hair. Now this method makes me to have a firm grip of my box braids. It gives a firm grip, so each part of hair to each strand of attachment. Then I'm going to start with my right index as well, then cross it under, use my left index to take the other part, cross it under and over to me. Then you continue the process. Make sure you have a firm grip. If you are not sure if the grip is tight, just pull the hair a little bit, just like I've done. Pull it gently, then continue with your braids. It's the same process basically, without attachment. It's the same process, just that you need to grip firmer. You need a tighter grip than if you are not using attachment, but it's the same process. So you continue braiding until you get to the tip of the hair, and that's all. It looks easy, but it requires practice until you get the hang of it. But it's not something that you cannot do. You can do it. All you need is to practice more. If this video has been helpful, kindly press the like button and share with your friends and families. And please don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. And please hit the notification bell so that you can know when a new video has been uploaded. Thank you for staying this long. I really appreciate it. Remember to subscribe, press the like button, and please share with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section and I'll attend to it as soon as possible. Any questions or any tutorial you'd like me to work on and post, I'll respond as soon as possible.